Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own 100% natural DIY hair gel, which can be used to define your curls or to sleek them back into any kind of updo style. So first of all, you want to gather yourself some linseed or flax seeds and make sure they are the whole version. I'll leave a link below. Then you want to grab 2 half cups of water into a pot and then a 1/4 cup of the whole flax seeds. Add the flax seeds to that water and then put your stove on a medium heat to boil. This should take around 20 minutes and you will see the linseeds are boiled when you get this kind of like frothy texture, and that's when you know to take it off the heat. Next, you want to gather yourself some tights or a tight sock. I got these from my local shoe store, and then you're going to just place it over a measuring jug, and this is going to be able to separate the seeds from the actual gel consistency that we've created. So once it's over the jug, you just want to pour in everything from the pot. It's a bit gooey, but that's fine. Then you're gonna grab the tight sock off the jug and then just begin to squeeze downwards, and you'll see all of the gel seeps out of the tights, and then as you can see the seeds are still in the tights. That is how you make your gel. So I got these kind of bottles from UKCurlyGirl, and I'll leave the link to them below. And basically you just want to fill them up with your gel so that you can easily use the gel anytime you need to throughout the week. This gel stays well in the fridge for about 2 weeks maximum. So I'm going to go in and spray my hair with some water just to get it ready for the gel. I'm only going to use the gel and test what it's like as a leave-in. As you can see, it's kind of like a sticky gluey texture, and it just swipes onto the hair so well. It's got so much slip. Surprisingly, it was really good to define my curls and moisturize them, as you're going to see here. I felt like my hair was very soft and defined, and it kind of dried into my hair quite quickly too. Once your whole hair is saturated in the gel, I'm going to leave it to air dry for a bit just to see how my hair feels after. Also, this gel has no scent at all. Once my hair was dry, it was very defined, but it did feel a bit crunchy. So I'm going to put my hair into a bun, a middle part in bun, which is like one of my favourite updos. So next I'm going to take a bit more of the flaxseed gel and just apply it to my edges and the top of my hair, and then I'm going to slide that in, brush it through with my slick brush, and as you can see, it does the job. Yes, I just apply all of that, make sure my hair is really sleek, and then put a satin scarf around it until it's dry, and I am loving my results, guys. This is my new staple. Who needs to buy gel anymore? I can just make my own and save myself so much money. So I hope this video helped you guys. I do have a full blog post below which has all of the instructions on how to make the gel, and I will see you guys in the next video.